Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So guys, I'm in a good mood because I'm gonna do an unpackaging first. I still haven't got all my other packaging that I talked about in the previous video, but I'm gonna share this one. And then I'm also going to review Ethic, the series. It's gonna be a two-part. So part one will be for those who haven't read the series, and then I'm going to tell you when to stop watching, and it's going to be for those who have read the series and maybe, you know, felt like I did. And I can talk about some stuff. So spoiler, no spoiler, spoiler, get my drift. But I ordered this thing from it is an item from she's a book lover. She also has an Instagram, and I'm gonna put her name here because I want to get it right, because it is something that I was so happy that I was able to get one. She was able to make one for me. So I'm gonna link her Instagram information, so you can just go there. She has different kinds. So what I have in here is not, this is not the only kind she has, and it's also customized. So I have this particular color which other people have, but everybody looks different. Like there's something different about each, how she stitch, you know, each one. So let me open it. Okay. All right, so here's it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. This is the front because I asked for pocket. Oh, she put a card in. Oh. Oh. Thanks, Monica. So, it's a nice card she added to it. So, that was a nice surprise. So I wanted a pocket. So what this is a book holder. So, you know, when you just want to go to the coffee shop, go to somewhere, you don't want to really bring a bag, but you often will have your book in your hand and your keys and your phone, and that's it. Or, you know, your small wallet that might have, you know, with your money in there to go buy your coffee. So I wanted, when I saw this, I said this is going to be perfect because it is going to protect my book. It's also very cute. It has a pocket in the front because they don't all come in pocket. You you have to tell her that you want it. She asks, and I said definitely wanted a pocket because, you know, it would be nice to put my phone and stuff. But guys, the size, and now I'm gonna see what I can put in there, what I can fit in there. So I'm currently reading also along with the count. Still reading this one, which is The Same Earth, and my journal. And guys, I can scream. I can scream. It fit. And where's my phone? I'm testing it, pushing the limits here. And my phone is in the front. So, yes, me going to the coffee shop with my lovely bits and my journal and a book fit in this bag, guys. Yes. So if those fit in the bag, that means you could fit a really decent sized book in here. But look. So that's my little cheerful unboxing with that one. So anyway, let's talk about Ethic. Now guys, I originally heard about the series when I was watching this particular woman. She has a YouTube channel, and she had named this book her favorite book for 2018. So this was like in January. So when I saw that, I literally jumped. I was like, what? I haven't had a urban fiction in a while. I haven't read one like years. And I used to read them, and then, you know, I felt like after a while they just kind of felt like I was reading the same thing over and over. But I took a chance and I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. So I did. Guys, I was hooked. It was one of those series that immediately caught my attention. Immediately. Like, there was no, oh, I can't get into this. No. I literally spent about 4 days to read book 1, 2, and 3. And I shared it in one of my reading vlogs because that's how excited I was about the series. And let me just tell you, this is a series about a man who has lived a street life. He has gotten away from it and took his money, decided he wanted to build a different life, and he's in the suburb with his son and his daughter and an adopted daughter. The daughter now, adopted one, is 18. She's lost everyone. Both her parents were killed. Now, this series is a spin-off from another book. I'm put the book here. I did not read that book, and to be honest with you, I want to read it now because they talked about pretty much the damn book all through the series. So if you didn't read it, you're not missing anything, and I sure didn't because they really repeated everything in that book. So that's how that goes. So he's, you know, he's just not a good, he's not lucky in love. He's had ups and downs, and his daughters, his kids is all. That's who he's protecting. That's who he's you know, his mission. And what pretty much happened was him trying to protect the older daughter now, who's turning 18. She thinks she knows it all, and he's trying to protect her, and she decided to go against what he said and put herself in harm's way. So something horrible happened to her, and just like any father, his initial reaction is to protect, to seek revenge, and that's exactly what he did. And in the process of him doing that, an innocent person was caught in between. Let me tell you, it was so hard to really see how she wrote this part, because what happened afterward is what really made the story interesting, weird, and make you scratch your head a few times because you think, wow, 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 like, what would you do? Now he is trying to correct all his wrong and trying to help in other ways that he can, which you can never do in a situation like that. And he got involved with a woman named Alani. Alani is now, you know, going through the process of she's mourning, she's lost, she doesn't have much. She's also been notorious for selecting the wrong man. And so how their love come about, and how she is now into his world, and how he's pursuing her, and even after the way the series work, everything's unfolding with secrets. Their romance is what really is carrying the book. Then you also have the daughter, who she's now 18. She's now, you know, trying to fly and don't know what the hell she's doing. And she's involved with one of her father's, I guess you could call it protege. That's a word. And he is Messiah. And Messiah is, you know, caught in between both worlds. You know, he is in the world of crime, money, violence, all that, but he still wants the other side, and he's also holding a secret. And how the secret is carried and exposed in the story, and well, it revealed later in the story, is what sometimes is what frustrated me. Now, overall, she did a good job as far as writing a character, because the way she talked about Ethic in this book, like the way she described him, he just looks sexy as hell. Like, I remember just thinking, oh yeah, book boyfriend, because she made it like, it's like, okay, Ethic, that was awful, but I forgive you. That's how I felt I was reading it, because of how she described and how she talked about his character and how passionate he was. I was so sucked up into it. Like, I was just like, yes, give me an Ethic. Then I'm like, nah. But in my mind, I'm like, just the whole sex appeal of Ethic for romance, she got that down pat. That was a definitely one of my best male character she's written, or any romance author recently, that I'm just like, that got me like this. Like, I'm reading like, yes, ethic, yes, 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 you know. And it was just so good. Problem was, she held on to this story for too long. When we got to book 4, the way she ended book 4 was the ultimate cliffhanger. And I just thought that when she was going to do book 5, because the way she ended, I thought book 5 was going to be probably the best out of all of them because of how she built up the story. I was so into it. I was like stalking her page. So I wanted to know what the due date was. And then when it finally came out, I read it right away. And then she decided she didn't want to end it there. And how she did a twist in that part of the book in book 5, I was mad. And then, you know, the daughter Morgan, the 18-year-old, I was over her. I was just so over her. And then 6, it was just like, why? Half of 6 didn't need to happen. The whole storyline of certain person was just revealing what this person's supposed to be. Didn't need to happen. It just really didn't need to happen. I thought she should have just combined 5 and 6 and take out a chunk of both and just make it into the end of the series. However, she did still piss me off at the end. I mean, Messiah. How she do Messiah like that? Like, how she did Messiah like that? Like, I thought how she did Messiah was effed up. Effed up. So with that said, you know, I'm going to end that part here. So stop watching it if you do plan. I do think you should read the series because I think overall it's still fun. It's very memorable. It's definitely something that is going to be on my top something list because the first 4 book was amazing, even though she, you know, fall off a little on the last 2. But stop watching, and this is the part for the people who have read this. The Messiah really needed to die in order for her to have book 2, a spin-off. Because I thought a spin-off was going to be Belle. Not Morgan. But I'm going to read it anyway just to see what she do with Morgan, because Morgan's supposed to be a butterfly flying away. But Morgan's freaking new boyfriend, I don't like him. I don't like his family. Something ain't right with that. And I knew that's probably what she going to put a twist on. And, well, could she at least see the man before he died? Could she at least tell the man she got a baby? Like, I was so like, come on. Messiah deserved better than that. He was a writer from the first book and to the end. He couldn't even get a proper send away. Like, I felt like Messiah got cheated. He got cheated. Because he didn't have to die. She could have just make a twist where he got chemo work. But it's just to kill him off. I'm mad. I was mad. I'm still mad. And then the whole, who freaking Messiah's father and family and all, the pastor, I was just like, didn't care. I didn't care, because that pastor was full of crap anyway. The man was cussing up a storm. he was a real hood pastor. Like, so, I mean, I was laughing, but I was just like, no, stop it. Stop it. So, anyway, that I didn't care for. Alani, Lord jeez. Like, 1 minute she crying all the damn time, and the next minute she ride or die. She want to shoot up. She want to fight. She want to act like, you know, and then she end up doing that to save her life. And then she mad about it. She sad about it. Girl, you were the gangster. You should have known. It's certain things gonna come with the territory. And Belle just need a good old-fashioned ass whooping. Like, she a sweet little girl, but she need the belt. Because how she running around with this little ass boy that don't got crap? And then when he finally like getting help, she all mad about it, because I feel like she'd have rather him be up in that damn tent living than her father trying to help his ass. and you know, to get out of his situation. It's like she felt, you know, like a part of her I felt like was like, girl, he can't be the 10 forever. You gotta get over that. You can't be like, I want to help him, but at the same time, you know, you still want your, you know, your mystery man, your little boy, because that's what he was. There are so many moments in this book, like I wish I knew someone who read it that I could freaking talk about it, because it's like, even though it pissed me off, it was entertaining as hell. So you know, and Ashley Antoinette, keep writing, because even though you know it wasn't my favorite ending, you still know how to write a damn series to get my attention, because this was by far one of the most entertaining series I have freaking read this year. Tops, no doubt. I'm looking forward to the spin-off of Morgan, and I'm hoping you make me proud, because Morgan was just not the ish in this series. So you say you're gonna make her into a butterfly and make her grow, and but damn, Messiah could have been in the picture. I'm just saying, you didn't need to kill Messiah. You could have kept it on. That's a little longer. I'm just saying. Anyway, if you got this far in the video, thanks for watching me review, rant, laugh, have a good time with the book, because at the end of the day, it's all about enjoying yourself reading. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it here, guys, and I survived this review, so I'm gonna have my wine, and on to the next one, guys. Have a good day. Bye.